Friends, this is Kiran. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a easy go-to makeup for any party. You can do this makeup for any dress up you wear, for sari, suit and lehenga. Now I'm going to start. First I'm going to take this aloe vera gel to moisturize my face. This works 2 in 1. First it moisturize your face and it works as a primer which makes your makeup stay long. After applying my aloe vera gel, I am going to do my eye makeup first. For this, I am going to use LA Girl Concealer as a base. You can use you can also use a primer, eye primer as a base, but I am using this LA Girl Concealer. This is also work as a base primer and which makes your eyeshadow stay long. I like to underneath my eyebrow on my brow bones. This makes my brow look too sharp. After this, I am going to set this by using my compact powder. I am using the compact from Sugar. The shade is 03 Macchiato. This is one of my favorite compact which is long last. After setting this, I am using the Maybelline Vivid Velvet Color Eye Pencil. Sorry, not color pencil. To my eyelids, I draw a rough line over it. After applying this, I smudge little with my fingertip. After this, I am going to apply my eyeshadow. I am using the eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. The shade is Hot Smoked. First, I am going to pick the lightest shade and draw the crease line. After that, I am going to little darker to darker. Don't directly go to the darkest. Always pick the first shade as light as you can. This I am going to little dark. This gives my eyes little smokiness. Now taking another brush, I am going to use darker shade to make the depth of my eyes. Take this little bit and put on the end of your eyelid. Blend well underwards. For more depth, take little more product. After I am going to apply this grey shine color over my eyelid. I apply color only on eyebrow. Taking a brush and all the harsh lines. After this, I am the light shade my eyebrow eye makeup is about complete. Now I am going to apply eyeliner using the eyeliner by Maybelline. This is very good. You can easily apply your eyeliner from this. I am going to draw waterline with Maybelline eye pencil. This add little sparkle to this using the applicator which is given. I am using a shade of this palette. To finish this, I am going to apply mascara. But before this, I am going to apply little compact powder to my eyelashes to give a fuller look. It gives you false eyelashes look. After applying a compact, I apply my mascara. I am using this mascara brush to shape my eyebrow also. Now I am going to use Maybelline. The shade is Warm Honey E22. For blending this, I am using my Real Technique BB blender. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. It is like your skin if you choose the correct shade. After this, I am taking little concealer underneath my eyes to cover my dark circles and blemishes also. Shape my nose. I now blend. After this, I am going to set my foundation by using my compact. I am taking little compact powder brush and only tap it. I am not using too much. After this, I am going to contour my face by using the 18 Master Contour Plate. Coffee brush and take the bronzer. Start. This apply to the area where from the ear to where you have little point on your cheeks, not all over your cheeks. Blend it. Take little product, not too much, and blend well. This gives you a nice skeleton look. The palette is very good shade, and the bronzer has not too dark. It's suitable to all Indian skin. I'm using the shade medium to dark. That is good for Indian skin tone. The cheekbones, my cheeks. Making three shape is good for contouring for any face cut. Now I am going to apply my blusher from this palette. Taking some blusher on my blush brush and smile. Then apply the blusher not in harsh. I read into fast motion. Don't use this in too much high motion. Apply softly. After this, I am going to apply this highlighter by using the applicator to my cheekbones only, where the light flash. Under my brow bones. Over my brow bones. Little too near my eyes, eye corner. Come for nose and lip brows. Tip off my lips. Use this bronzer nose. Give some sharp look. Just little amount, not too much. Now blend it in circular motion. See? Now my makeup is over, not too much. I am using the last. I am using this lipstick. This is a Fuchsia Plus by Maybelline. This is a powdery matte lipstick. This is such a beautiful color for every Indian skin tone, fair to medium. After applying this lipstick, your face looks so graceful. You can also use other shade if you want. Now my going to makeup is complete. Wearing this accessories. Now I am ready for party. Hope you enjoy the videos. So friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Love you. Bye.